Hey friends, if you wish to go full screen on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So this is what full screen looks like. Now, how did I do it? This is application specific. So for Microsoft Office related applications, there's an option called focus here. Click on focus and you'll go full screen. Now, this is for Office related applications, but what about other applications like OBS? So press the F11 key and you'll go full screen. But as you can see, there is no option to minimize or close it now. So what would you do in that case? Try pressing escape, nothing happens. So the best option is press F11 once again and then you're back. Now don't forget this. The only way to exit the full screen mode is to press F11 again, the same way you entered it. Even for browsers, you can use the F11 key, press F11 and then you can get into the full screen mode and then press F11 once again to exit the full screen mode. Now this is for these applications. What about other applications? For each application there is something specific. For example, if you open the Photos app, it would have a specific way of going full screen. If you opened some other app, there would be another way of going full screen. In general, here's what I do. Whatever the application is, I always try the F11 key first. If it works, well and good. If it doesn't work, then I'll check for controls specific to that app on that app itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.